then everyone, welcome back to the channel. First of all, I'd like to say thank you for all my subscribers, my new ones as well as the old ones, and I'm now over 2,500, so really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Today's adventure, or this afternoon's adventure, it's taken me 5 hours to get here, so hopefully it'll be worth it. You've either got the beach behind me or I've got this park. This is council run park, which I have permission to detect in. So I have a letter from them which says that this is one of the ones that are on their list that we're allowed to detect. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to spend a few hours in the park. If I don't find anything, which is a good chance, then I'll be heading to the beach. I will be out with the Manticore, and I've only got the 9-inch core. So let's see how we go. I've got no scoop, I just have a spade. So hopefully there'll be a video. If not, then I've just wasted my voice. See you later, bye. Right, first target. There's a 2p piece. So we're on the coin straight away, at the bottom of the slide. Alright, we've got an 84, 85. Perfect circle. So possibly another coin. Possibly. Won't be digging down too far. Ah, might be a pole actually. Oh no, it's stones. Yep, another 2p. And there you go. 2p piece. That says it's out. Oh. That's a dog tag. So that's a 2p that's been cut. So there you go. So probably been hit by the plough. Not the plough, sorry. The bloody lawnmower. Well, there you go. 2p. Or what's left of it. Oh, I've got a double whammy out of that hole. Bottle cap, or bottle lid, and a ring pull. Never mind. Alright. I've got a penny. Yeah, got a penny. 1p. Wow. Little hole. 83, 84 I think it was. Ended up being a buckle. 1 buckle out of there. I don't think it's that old. But a buckle's a buckle. There you go. I'm just going to put you on. Just seen something down there. Don't know whether it's it's another coin, and it'll be another 2p. Another 2p. Oh, there you go. Oh, just got another coin. I think it's another penny. Yeah, another penny. Alright, we're on the beach now. So the second part and the first target. First target. Big heavy fishing weight. There you go. Oh, I've turned you on. 38, 39. I'll let you hear it as well. I see something green in the hole. It's an old 10p, a 2 bob bit. Or 2 shilling, I should say. Oh, there you go. So first coin off the beach. There's an old one. 19, I think it says 1965, so that's 2 shillings. 2 shilling coin. 1965. Oh, we're in the 80s. Low 80s. We've got 1p. Yeah, 1p. Oh, there you go. It's another fishing weight. Just another fishing weight. Oh, there you go. 66, 67. A bit crackly. Oh, pound coin. £1. Yeah, nothing else. Just a pound. Well, I think you might still be able to see. I'm struggling. It's got a penny. Starting to chew away, so it was getting a crackly noise. You can see it's all being started to eating away now. So it was giving off a crackling noise. And there you go, 1p. High numbers. 90, 91, 92. Can. Looks like someone else has already been here as well. There's a few holes that have been left. Oh no, it's another coin. I don't know whether you can see. Just there. I'm going to say a 2p. Just go out on a limb on that one. I'll say it's a 2p piece. there's anything else, I'll let you know. Yeah, I'd say it's another 2p. It's very rusty. Might be able to recover it a little bit, but yeah, I'd say it's a 2p. Oh, there you go, 20p. That come up as a 39.40, I think it was. I'm used to the DS2 on the beach. So there you go, 20p piece.